This is a shadow tracker, so it's a device that sends out, similar to like PIR sensors, but it's in a block of 8. So any movement that breaks the beams, you'll see a trail of light. So you've got several modes. There's 8 in total, which you can press by, well, pressing this button will change the modes. So you've just seen mode 1. If we put it into mode 2, you'll see that the fades are a little bit different. So mode 3, it's a little bit quicker. Mode 4, so it's like a follow. So if you had a shadow from left to right or right to left, you'd then get a secondary wave of lights. That mode's a lot quicker. Mode 7. And then mode 8.